Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a sanitary pouch. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorials. You can also join our Facebook group. The link is in the description under the video. The link to download the pattern is also under the video. To make this pouch, you will need fabric for the outside, fabric for the lining, mid-weight and the facing, see-through plastic, a zipper, bias tape, and a snap button. Quilt your fabric beforehand using a lightweight fleece. Cut 4 pieces of bias tape the size of the see-through pocket. Mark the middles of the zipper and the bias tape. Put each side of your zipper between 2 pieces of bias tape and stitch. Put the top part of the see-through pocket between 2 pieces of bias and stitch. Put the fabrics of the second pocket face to face and stitch the upper part. Then turn it over and top stitch. Mark the placement of the snap button on the pocket and then place one side of it. Put both pockets on the lining of the pouch and stitch. Put the lining of the pouch on the outer fabric wrong side on wrong side and stitch. Put the second part of the snapper button on the see-through pocket. Put bias tape all around the pouch. Don't forget to fold inward the end of it. Stitch the bias tape. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorials.